Why can I not talk? I literally cannot talk. What is wrong with me? Hello. It's me.
Yeah, you supermodel. Busting out the bottom.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bailey, and today I'm going to be doing this summer glowing makeup look for you. So if you want to learn how to get this look, please keep watching. So to start off today, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer. Next, if I have any breakouts or anything, I will go in before foundation, CC cream, anything I'm wearing that day, and I'll just cover them just a little bit. I find that this helps me to cover any blemishes or anything I have just a little bit better if I do it before. Next, I'm going to be taking the IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade medium, and then I'm going to be mixing it with my MAC strobe cream. Now I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I am just going to put that on there and then work that into the skin. And I always start at the jawline and work my way in. I will then go back in with my damp beauty blender and just make sure everything is nice and seamless. Next, I'll be taking that same concealer I used before, and this is the ColourPop concealer in the shade medium. And then to brighten up the under eye just a little bit, I take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Light. And I will just do a dot right there at the inner corner. And then I'm going to be taking my damp beauty blender again and just blending that out. Next, I take my BH Cosmetics brush. Oh my god. It's everywhere. Next, I take the Rimmel Stay Matte setting powder. And this is in the shade Transparent. I will just take a little bit of that on that brush, knock the excess off. And then I just do that on my under eyes and my chin and a little bit on my forehead, just so I'm not oily in those areas. Taking first my Real Techniques powder brush, and I will be taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze up the cheekbones and around the forehead. During the summer, I like to be nice and bronzed, so I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques contour brush, going back into that bronzer, and just defining that up a little bit more. Next, we'll be going in with blush. So we're going in with the ColourPop Cheerio Super Shock Cheek. I'll be taking my Real Techniques multitask brush. During the summer, I do like that sun-kissed look, so I take it across my nose so I get that look like I just laid out in the sun all day. Oh crap, forgot to contour my nose. Next, we are going to I take this random brush, don't know where it's from. I do like it though because it's skinny and it does have that angle. I feel it works best for the nose contour. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Hoola bronzer. I'm just gonna contour my nose. I literally don't go without contouring my nose. My nose is so crooked, broke, jank. And next, I'm going to be just doing a little bit to the eyes, not much. I don't really like to wear eyeshadow on an everyday basis in the summer, so this is just something very simple, just to, add a little some. So I take my EcoTools blending brush, and then I take the Kylie palette, it's the bronze palette, and then I am going to go into Jasper, I think it is. It's going to be this brown taupey color. Knock that excess off, and then I'm just gonna work that all the way in the crease, inner crease and outer crease. Next, I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller highlighter, and it's the Gilded Honey. And then I'm just going to be taking one of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes. And then I am going to use that highlighter as an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be putting it on the lid and all in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to be going into my eyebrows, and I just used the Glossier Boy Brow, and it's in the shade Blonde. And I do like to brush my brows up. I want them to look thicker and there, because they're so not there. Alright, and before I do mascara and highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I'm gonna spray all over my face, and then I will go in with my highlighter. Now I'm gonna be taking just a fan brush and going back in with that Laura Geller highlighter. And then I'm gonna be doing on the high points of my cheekbones and my nose and my Cupid's bow. That's a lot of highlighter. Kind of just put it everywhere. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that highlighter at the brow bone. Now I'm gonna be doing my mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise. And this is definitely the best dupe for Better Than Sex mascara. I used to use the Better Than Sex mascara all the time, and then I found this, and now I'm obsessed with it, and the price is so much better. And then for lips, I just take my Aquaphor and I use a Q-tip. And then I just run that across my lips, get the makeup off, and then I will go in with a lip liner. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX lip liner in the shade color Mahogany. Since this is a natural look, I do the lip liner and then I blur it out with my finger. And then I will go back in with that Aquaphor and put that all over my lips. And I just use my finger for that.
I'm sorry you're having to see this. I really am. But like, you made it all the way to the end of the video, so here's me in my prime.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below.
Yeah, you supermodel, then busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy that medulla oblongata.